Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing an entire kit of Rokform accessories for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. The first that we have here is the premium screen protection. It's HD tempered glass. You get 2 units in there. This is what the glass looks like right here. There we go. You can see the reflection. There's just a little bit of cutout at the top for your speaker on your phone, but the glass is pretty much the entire coverage for your screen on your phone. They have the install kits, 2 of them available with the wipes, everything that you need, stickers, and simple steps to get it installed, including this item here that goes around and on top of your phone to make sure that it's perfectly centered on the phone. Okay, and then we have the Rokform iPhone 14 Pro Max rugged case. You saw this in a previous video, but now we have accessories we can attach. We pop the widget out, that plug, and then we have this underneath, and we'll show you how this works. So these magnets are very strong, so we have to turn it a little bit and then secure it. So we take this part out and we secure it one more time. So now it's in, it's locked into place right there. And this is called the Sport Ring. This is made out of high-grade aluminum. This can be used for any number of things, but I found that you can use it as a stand. So there's your vertical stand right there. Okay, and then you just twist, and then we'll flip it around this way here, lock it into place, and now you can use it in this direction as well, landscape mode. So portrait and landscapes, you can watch movies, you can take video calls in the vertical stand, but then you can also use this for any number of things. So it goes all the way over like that, and it comes all the way like that. Okay, so that's the Sport Ring. And then we have over here the dual magnet. So there's the nicely padded dual magnet end right here. And then this part you can attach. You just peel that off. And this moves around. It's very well made, and it's in there. It's all metal right there. But what's great is the magnets in here. You can actually use it with the sport clip or without. We'll show it with just right now. So very strong magnetism right there. But then this will also work on the bottom of the case, this part right here. So we'll take the sport clip out. You have your MagSafe ring right there, and then the dual magnet attaches right to the MagSafe area like that. Or if you don't want to use that part, you can get it lower on the phone. It's not coming off. It's a lot of movement, it's not coming off. So that is the dual magnet right there. That's this one. So this attached with magnets, and this one is a clip that goes in to the turnable widget spot right there. And this is the Sport Ring. Doesn't add that much weight extra to the case, but it does a whole lot more for you. And it folds flat, which I like a lot. So you get the screen protection, you get the Sport Ring, and you get the dual magnet piece for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. They have cases for your other phones as well. And this is all from Rokform, and this is the rugged case. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.